Hey everyone, it's Jen with ChappyPlans. Thanks for joining me for another Plan With Me video. Today I'm planning in my catch-all and I'm super excited to get into this plan with me because we are going to Disney World. So if you want to see what I'm going to do, stick around. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'm doing a Plan With Me video in my vertical layout, which is my family catch-all planner. This is my 2023 Franken planner. Just to recap, a Franken planner is a planner kept in one system that it consists of multiple either inserts or styles. So I use Jane's Agenda for my covers, dashboards, and bookmarks, page finders. And then I have lots of other things from Casey of Pleasantly Planned, including inserts. And then the other inserts are Jane's Agenda as well. So today I am planning for January 9th through the 15th. We are leaving on the 15th for Disney. So be prepared for some Disney spreads. Fortunately, I did hang on to my stickers from the Happy Planner that were Disney themed. And so I will be using those as well as this gorgeous sheet of fireworks, which if you saw my Flip Through Friday video, I said that I knew New Year's was over, but I had other plans for this gorgeous sheet. And it is for this spread because we're getting ready to go. And I just think fireworks and Disney are like synonymous. So I'm using this sheet from LPTGCreates. I am on Lupita's brand ambassador team. So you can use my code, which is Jen10, if you'd like to save when you purchase through her. I'm also going to be sprinkling in some of this gold spotty dotty washi that's so gorgeous and I love from According to Allie, who I also represent as an affiliate. And I have these two stickers pulled out from the Happy Planner. They are like the OG Disney release stickers. And I had several Disney extension packs, so I'm going to use these to redate the top because when else am I going to use these? And they kind of already started falling off because I was playing with them. So, oh, that's not the 15th. It's the 9th. Jen, let's go here. Even though we're not leaving till the 15th, I feel like this is more of an excuse for me to use my stash because I have so many Happy Planner stickers still in my craft collection. So I'm definitely going to be utilizing more of my stash in 2023. Trying to keep it more simple as far as like all the rep teams, just because I have a lot more responsibility now as PTA president. I just won't have that flexibility and you know, like all the time to film all the things anymore because PTA is my priority, which I hope y'all can appreciate. Okay. So I don't even know what's going on this week. I didn't even use sticky notes to pre-plan. That's what happens when you've been away from your craft room for over a week. You're like, what's going on? So I know Nora has an appointment in the afternoon, which stinks because she's missing dance class again, but it was like the only time I could get. And this may be a longer Plan With Me video because I literally have not looked at these sticker books since I probably used them when they first came out. So forgive me and feel free to do what I tell you to do, which is just to fast forward and, you know, whatever works for you. I'm going to do this one because Minnie has the bow kind of like over her eyes. And it is Nora's doctor's or dentist appointment. She doesn't love the dentist because she's had mouth trauma in the past. Her first dentist appointment was mouth trauma, which is like a whole story for another day. So that's her dentist appointment. And I don't think we have a busy week, thank God, because I will have to film everything. And then I have an appointment Thursday afternoon. It's like a standing weekly appointment. Maybe I'll do this red one, and then for lunch, is there one that's like friends? They're so cute. All right, so don't be mad, but I want to use this gold foil one. So I'm going to do this for my appointment. And then this one for lunch. But I'm going to cover up Mickey. What? I want like Daisy and Minnie if I can, because I'm getting lunch with my friend Julie, who identifies as female. So, oh, there we go. It's just unclear. So an easy little sticker surgery hack for that is get yourself some sticker paper, or even computer paper, honestly. I'm lazy, so I'm going to use sticker paper, but you could just put this down on a piece of computer paper and then cut it out. And that's what I am going to do, because I need to cover up Mickey. Sorry, Mickey. No offense to you. You will be featured in other areas, so don't get butthurt about it. Fussy cutting, fussy cutting, fussy cutting. Okay. Now I have an opaque sticker and I can cover up Mickey. Yay. I guess. I mean, not yay, because I feel bad that I covered up Mickey, but you know what I mean. And then there's a PTA meeting. Oh, there's a lot going on. Ooh, Thursday's a busy one. Yes, it is. Oh my. Speaking of being crazy busy. Oy vey. All right, I'm gonna use this one, which is meant for like a monthly box, but it's funny to me because Mickey looks kind of like sly. But he's making this face because he's like, haha, you thought you covered me up, but now I'm back and I'm here. Ha ha ha. See, he's like, that's my story. Okay, and then Friday, so this is also my mom's birthday. And I think we'll take her to dinner on the 13th. Why is this crooked, though? I have so many questions about this situation. I don't like that it's crooked. Let's see if I can peel it up. Okay, that's better. And then mom's birthday dinner, so these videos take longer because you have to flip through all the stinking pages. It's a cluster of boxes. My favorite. Not really. When things get too boxy, I start to like panic. I sweat a little bit. I'm like, ah. Okay. There's a lot happening. Nora also has dance class. Oh my gosh. All right. So I'm going to use are there any little like Mickey bullets? There are stars. Oh yeah, this is good. All right. Let's use one of these for Nora's dance class. Okay. And no more gymnastics. This is going to be like crazy packing day. I think I'm going to put bullets for things that I want to get done. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Those are so crooked. I should probably call my mom, actually. I'm like, and we're taking my mom to dinner, and she's like, has no idea. I should probably ask if she even wants to do that. You're coming to dinner. I feel like the Beast. You will join me for dinner. Okay. And we leave Sunday. Yay! That one would be so cute if it was like a bot. Ooh, perfect. We're just going to use it. Yes. Time to make some magic. We're leaving on a jet plane. Okay. So there's like nothing going on in the beginning of the week. I mean, I will have things to do. I'm going to have filming and getting my ducks in a row, preparing for the PTA meeting. So I am going to use this one for Tuesday. All right. And then I need one for Wednesday probably. I think I'm gonna do the same thing with the bullets though. Like little flags, they're not bullets. You know what I mean. Words are hard, okay? If I can find them. All the flipping. All right, let's do one. Two. Three. Okay. Not sure what I'm going to do over here. Also, it doesn't say January anywhere, which bothers me slightly, but I don't know. What should I put here? You know who's queen of decorating the sidebar? Rochelle, Plans by Rochelle. If you're not following her, get on that because she's amazing. Maybe I'll just use this black one. I can put it down here. Ooh, it fits in there like almost perfectly. Oh, these are Casey's inserts, pleasantly planned, in case you're like, what are you talking about? What are you using? Why is it perfect? That's why. All right, now I kind of want to use some washi. I think I'm going to put some at the bottom. And see how we like it. I mean, I wish I could hear you and you could tell me. Do we like it? Do we like it? We like it. And we'll put some up her. I feel like I should move up these Mickey heads though. Or just put them on top. Cute. Fireworks for show. Ooh, these are like so kiss cut. So I peeled off like the outside layer, but I'm very scared about ruining these because these are individual little teeny tiny bursts. And I always rip my clear stickers. I'm sure I will, but the good thing about clear stickers is if you rip them, like it's easy to kind of put them back together on the paper because you can't really tell because they're on clear. Wow. Okay. I think I want to put them down here though, just because like we're getting here in the afternoon. We're getting there in the afternoon. And normally I don't white out black lines, but because I want these gorgeous fireworks stickers to be featured, I'm going to. Whoops. Yeah. So if you buy these stickers, my advice to you, and this goes for like any sticker that's kiss cut like that, is if you can, carefully peel off like the surrounding edges and then put your sticker down, because, or pull your sticker off, because otherwise it's like way too hard. Okay. That's gorgeous. And then it's Mama's birthday, so I'm gonna do maybe these two. Whoops. Yeah, like this, I think. Got a little bit jacked up, but you can't tell too bad. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay. We can put fireworks up here. I know we can do firework maybe like down here. Let's do this big silver one. It's okay, like if I don't use all these, because now I'm back to doing my daily planning, also using Casey's inserts, daily inserts. And so I'm glad that I'm back doing that, because I feel too much pressure to use all my stickers. And then if I don't, I'm like, what am I gonna do? Like, I can't throw them out. There's only like a few left, you know? I don't want to cover up Minnie, so I think I'm actually gonna have this come behind her. But I sort of want to cover this up here. And then here. I ran out of my favorite whiteout, but actually, this one's not bad. It's Bic Whiteout Mini. I think I got it at like Target or Staples or something. I need to order some more off the Amazons. Let's do this big bold one. Oh, here comes my kitty. Hi, Jeeves. All right. That is so cute. I'm gonna put these, I think these two smaller ones right over the top of this black box. I don't know. I didn't cover up the lines, but I don't mind it there for some reason. Okay. Before I put more fireworks, I think I'm going to bring in some of our beloved friends. Let's see. I think to balance it out, I'm looking for like blue, maybe. A blue sticker. That's cute. Leave a little trail of magic wherever you go. Maybe that one. Oh, how cute is that? Mickey and Minnie making a heart shape. I don't want to do the pink. I'm not bringing in pink. Ooh, I like this one. I'm going to end up covering up my firework, I think, because I don't know if I can lift it. All right, let me see. What? Jeeves, do you want to say hi to everyone? Is that the problem? Come here. Oh, He's traumatized because we were away for so long. Say hi. No, don't go to Disney and leave me again. Look, say hi. Say hi, baby. Okay. He wanted to make an appearance. All right. So you can see I ripped the paper and it's showing underneath, which is not ideal. Okay, where's my $1.25 treat tool? Here we go. It's so awesome for putting, like, making clear stickers do what they're supposed to do. All right, that looks cute there. And then, let's see. This would be cute here. Ah. Aw, so cute. I want to put something here. I wonder if I have like a quote. I don't know what the cat just did, but he made a really, like, a lot of noise. This one's kind of perfect. Life is meant. Ew, look at that. Gross. Ew. Ow. I can't. Cat hair. Oh, gross. And I already worked out, so I'm a little bit sweaty. I'm glowing. I'm not glowing, it's sweat. Life is meant for good friends and great adventures. Yes, it is. But I actually kind of want this over here. So I'm going to put it down here. What? All right. I would love to have like a big obnoxious quote. Be kind of cool. Sunshine on my mind works too though, because we're going. I could put it here or I could put it up here. I think I'm going to put it here only because I thought about putting like some of the characters here, but because there's like a big Mickey, I don't want to have like, I don't know. I feel like the box looks better. All I see is magic. That could go up there. All right, we're gonna put celebrate every tiny victory because that's nice and big, and that can come like right across here, I think. Here, yeah. And then I want to have Mickey like maybe that Mickey, or oh, that one's cute. But then I don't know if I like him right next to this. I think I'm just gonna do it though. It's like resting on the fireworks. Okay. And then where's Minnie at? Oh, see, Minnie has this rose gold bow, and I don't want that. Yeah, that just looks too busy. It's a pretty busy spread, but I think it's okay. I kind of want something down here, but That one's cute. Okay, now I was gonna put something here, but I think it will be too much. Maybe I'll just do a couple of firework bursts. Ah. I'm sorry that this is such a long video. Okay, and another one there. I think I could put like this. Yeah, I'm gonna have it come up kind of behind the quote if I can. All right, so I'm gonna move this up. All right. And I cut my firework. What the heck? So violent. I'm just using them to fill in space. I actually might end up using them all. I didn't think I would, but I surprised myself. And then I have one more big one, which I can probably put up here. Right? Without the cat hair. Bonus cat hair. All right, and I just have these little bursts, so I'm gonna use them. One there, so Mickey can be looking at it. One there, and one more. Yay. Okay. Yay, I loves it. Oh my gosh. I hope you like it. I'm so glad that I used all the fireworks. Lupita's stickers are super unique, and you definitely need to check out her shop. I will link the stickers below. I will link my code, and they're always in my description box anyway. But when I use specific products, I try to link them. Let me know if you have any questions about the products I used, and wish me luck this week. It's It's busy, but this looks like so much fun. So that makes me a little bit more happy and will be encouraging when I open up my planner during this week and try to remember to do all the things. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my content. And I will see you in the next video. If you have any tips, tricks, or thoughts about Disney World, put them in the comments. All right, friends, take care of yourselves. Remember that you are enough, and see you next time. Bye-bye.